Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today looking at this 2015 Peterbilt 389. This is the extended hood version, as you can see right there. And on this one we did an all red frame, red axles, everything. So really nice custom setup with this 18-foot Boulder Lane Dump Body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Also we got this equipment trailer here as well. That we sold to this customer. We also can get those brand new from Hall Lane Manufacturing, different lengths, different axle configurations, all that stuff. So definitely a nice setup here. Let's do a walk around the truck. This one had a sleeper on it, and we removed the sleeper. So you can see it has a little bit higher roof there. Got the upgraded front suspension, 315s on this one as well. Got the quarter fenders, hydraulic tank, step, all painted red. Just definitely nice setup here. And the little equipment trailer as well. Heavy duty apron on that with the high lift tailgate on this Boulder Lane. There's just our standard pintle hitch setup, adjustable up or down 2 inches. We got a lot of custom pintle hitch setups available, so just let us know what we can do for you. Full gauge package here, locking differentials on this one, 10-speed, and the mechanical controls. Then this one we did a sleeper removal on it as well. Nice clean job on that. That's our own custom kit, and you get the extra headroom here with that. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.